Home prices are one of the top things I'm getting questions about right now. And that's because people heard they were going to crash this year. I know the headlines were scary, but prices didn't crash just as I predicted. It just didn't happen. To help put your mind at ease, take a look at this. This graph shows 6 year-end expert forecasts for home prices this year. Here's what I see. The overall projection is that prices are actually going to be positive for 2023 and 2024. Sure, one organization is saying prices will end the year slightly down, but the key word there is slightly. A 0.4% drop is significantly not a crash. Don't get stuck on the one red bar. Focus on how many green bars there are. All of the other experts shown here are forecasting prices will net positive, and that's what I predict also. So don't believe everything you're hearing. If you've got questions about what's true and what's happening in our area, let me know. That's literally what I'm here for. I've got you covered. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home team. Talk to you soon.